Okay, in this video I'm going to show how to get an easy way to get color schemes and font pairings for your small business website. You'll see right now I have Placeit pulled up. It has a logo builder that you can browse for free, and you can see all of the different types of small businesses that you can choose from. If you look at the beauty logos, for example, even if you don't have a membership to Placeit, you can still browse all of the logos. And when you click on one, you can see that you get a color scheme already laid out for you. So instead of starting from scratch and trying to decide what your colors should be, what your fonts should be, you can find a logo and then you can sort of base the entire site off of that. So you have a background color here, click more, you can get the hexadecimal there, main color, get the hexadecimal there, and also the accent color. You can upload your own image here or choose from some of the other images here. And over here on this side you can see that there is a font that it tells you what each of these are, and there is also a color. So again, we get the color of the font, and we check to see if this font is available on your website. So this one uses Alegria Sans. So I go to my Elementor website, and I have Elementor open, and I just added a header on a test page, and then I click typography, and you start typing in Alegria, and then sure enough, you can use Alegria Sans real easily. And then this one, you can check to see if it's in there, and if it's not in there, you just click on some of the other suggestions until you find one that is available on your Elementor website. If you couple the font pairings and the color schemes to one of the Elementor templates, then you're really cooking, because if you click the templates here, and you see you have a beauty salon already made in the Elementor Pro. So if you're kind of a beginner, I would recommend just getting Elementor Pro and applying one of these templates. And then you can apply the header font and the body font. And these templates will look dramatically different once you use your photos, once you add the color scheme that you want. The other one that caught my eye was this Dance Studio. It looks modern, and once you change the fonts and the colors and add some of your own photos, it's just completely unrecognizable that this template was used. So I will leave some links in the video description. The key is going to Placeit and just browsing and getting some ideas for colors and for fonts. And then, yeah, once you do that, you can apply it to your Elementor Pro template. So thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to like, sub, or comment.